desert, as you can see. Woo! I am in Fuerteventura, apparently, if I'm not mistaken, because I'm traveling a lot lately. I don't remember where I am. Quick update, I have just shot few videos with this friend here. My great stuff, guys. Yesterday I went up on a volcano with this, and I don't know what happened. While it was landing, it crashed. For a few seconds I couldn't see where it was flying because it was literally flying over the mouth of the volcano, but I lost track of it as the color of the drone blended into the color of the rocks. Yeah, as you can see, I have completely changed my location because the SD card was full and decided to die completely while I was talking. Yeah, guys, I thought this was a good chance to show you some intelligent flight modes of the Mavic 2 Pro. I have used the Droney, the Helix, the Rocket, the Boomerang. Probably I didn't use the Boomerang. Don't remember.
Yeah, the Droney, the Circle, the Helix, and the Rocket.
And then I have used the active track modes, actually. I haven't used Boomerang, I haven't used Asteroid, I don't know, it's just, I don't like them very much, but this is just my preference. All of them, they are a very, very cool way to tell a story in your videos. My advice is try them all and see what tells your story best. The Mavic 2 Pro in 2022 is still such a great tool. It's a very, very powerful drone. It came out a few years ago, but it still holds the value so much. The sun is gone, it's getting completely dark. I'm taking advantage of this beautiful low light capacity of the Sony a7 III right now. So yeah, guys, without any further ado, let's dive into the videos.
Quickshots. Active track. Bonus tips.
it is. It's time to go. It's very dark now and I have 45 minutes to come back home, so when I'll be home it will be completely dark. Let me know which one is your favorite intelligent flight mode. If you own any other drone from DJI, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video if you liked it. If you don't like it. Tomorrow it will be my last day here in the Canary Islands. I'm so sad to come back home, but at the same time I'm excited because I have plenty of videos, plenty of ideas. This year I am fully committed to YouTube videos, so you will see my face very soon. It's getting completely dark now, guys. I gotta go. I'll see you in the next video. Bella!